Today we will see Python program for finding maximum of two numbers in three ways. First, by using if-else statement. Second, by using max function. Third, by using ternary operator. So let's begin. First, we will see the code for using if-else statement. So first we will write the def function. Def is not a function actually. Def is a keyword which is used to declare a function. Now the function name which is used to identify the function. So maximum is the function name which I have taken, and now the parenthesis. It is used to denote the function. Parentheses are always compulsory. In parentheses we may pass arguments or parameters. It is optional as per the requirement, but here we will pass the arguments as a, b. A, b are called as reference variables, and every function should begin with colon. Colon is very important in Python coding. Also, indentation is important after every function. Now, if condition, if A is greater than B, and again indentation because if is also a function, again indentation, we will print simply the statement A is greater, and if A is not greater, then we have to print B is greater. So else condition, again indentation, print, and we have to print that B is greater. Now we will call the function maximum, because here we have just declared the function, and for writing it we have to call it. So for calling we will simply write max function, and here we will pass the actual values which we want to check whether which is greater or not. So 45, 80, and now if we run the program, we will get the output as B is greater. Now we will close the terminal. Now we will check how to find the maximum of two numbers by second way, by using the max function. Now first I will write the code, then explain it. Now A is equal to, actually I will take another variable like num1 is equal to 2. Again num2 is equal to suppose 80. Now I will declare a variable maximum. You can take any variable, but as we are finding maximum number, so I have taken the variable as maximum. Now the max function, as it is a function, so it is showing the parenthesis, and again in parenthesis we will pass the parameters a, num1, num2. We have to pass that variables only which we have declared in here, and simply print maximum. And again run, so we have get 80. So this function, that max function, is used to find maximum of values passed as its arguments. Now we will see the third method by using the ternary operator. Now this ternary operator is also known as conditional expression, These operators that evaluate something based on the condition being true or false. It simply allows testing in single line. So we will check the code. Now suppose n1 is equal to 3. Now n2 is equal to 5. Now print function a if n1 if n1 is greater than n2 else n2. And if we run the code, it will display as 5. If you found this video helpful, kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any doubts regarding the code or suggestions regarding the video, please comment in the comment section. Thank you.